After a little over 2 hours, the sentencing announcement that all Jamaicans were hoping for.
In terms of count 2, we are at 20 years, 10 months, and that's the time for count 2. In respect of count 1, well, I'm just a trial judge. I am not at liberty to ignore the words of the parliamentarians, and they have indicated that there is a minimum and a maximum, and they have indicated that the minimum is 20 years, maximum is 25.
20 years and 10 months for some may seem like a slap on the wrist, even though Mr. Silvera pleaded guilty in the killing of his wife. But Justice Sykes pointed to the sentencing guidelines highlighted in the laws.
So again, a guilty plea is of inherent value, whether it shows remorse or not. At least that's my view. And so I can't go below what Parliament has said. I know Mr. Champagne has referred me to the decision from the Privy Council, but they are the Privy Council. So I think that it would be improper of me to do that, not because counsel is inherently wrong, but I think it is something that deserves full argument.
Chief Justice Sykes further explained to the court some of the factors that led to his decision.
Other factor is a question of remorse. It's one of those intangibles where is the guilty plea a reflection of remorse or is it a tactical consideration? Well, I have indicated my position on that, and it seems to have been a tactical consideration rather than remorse. Though I acknowledge that he said in the social inquiry report that he's remorseful and all of those things, but having regard to the broader context, I think it was more strategic than remorse. But nonetheless, it's a guilty plea.